you're a student currently in campus and you're thinking of looking for internship, I want us to cover how you go about looking for internship in this video. The first thing you need to consider when you're looking for internship is who is more likely to give you an opportunity. And from my experience, I would say it's the SMEs and the medium-sized firms who are likely to give you an internship. I've seen cases where someone has been applying to these big firms or known brands for internship, and they have nothing to show for it. And if, in fact, the period they were given to do the internship, sometimes elapses before they've even gone for internship. So the beauty with SMEs and the medium-sized firms is the skills that you bring on board will be something that they'll find of value. So start there. And unlike this HR manager in a big firm who every day is getting application, whether for internship or experienced level, these SMEs and the medium-sized firm, they don't really get such kind of attention. So when you present yourself and you show them you have something to offer, then I believe they'll give you an opportunity. So that's the first step. And where can you get these SMEs and the medium-sized firms? My advice is look around your environment. It's those organizations, small organizations that you know of. You know, it's that supermarket down the road. It's that small company which is owned by your dad's friend. You know, it's that service provider that you normally engage with on a continuous basis. So I would say start there. Then when also come to looking for internship, I believe it's very key to really present yourself in the best way possible. So here, I'm talking about your CV and the cover letter. So even if you don't have much to show in terms of work experience, a brief CV detailing who you are and what you've learned in class is really important. And there are various videos we've done in regards to that area, and you can check them out. So when it comes to the cover letter, again, it's just to state, this is what I've learned in class, and I believe, given a chance, I can add some value to your firm, even as I learn. So should you ask for paid or unpaid internship? I would say at this level, you should be open. And if you get someone who's able to reimburse you, well and good. But if there's no opportunity for you to get a stipend, then I would say don't shy away from taking that. Because come 4 years down the line when you've graduated, the employer will be looking at your CV and asking, when this person had 4 years in campus, what else did they do apart from learning? And it's only those graduates who can be able to show some form of internship that really have a head start. So I believe you'd rather go somewhere for 3 months unpaid, but learn and learn and learn. So when you get this internship, then what do? I believe a lot of students err, because for them, they just look at it as part of a requirement as opposed to a chance to really shine. So why I advise students to really make sure they leave an impact is because come 4 years or another 2 years after you graduate, you'll be looking for a job. So you'd want to be memorable, and you only be memorable if the employer feels when so and so was here in this department, they really left a mark. They did the best they could. So if you're an intern, it doesn't mean that you'll be the last person to get in or the first person to go out. No. It means really treating it as a full-time job. And also, apart from working, get to associate with other employees, get to understand the structure of the company, you know, get to understand the boss, understand your colleagues. You know, don't be that intern who's normally shy and hidden in a corner somewhere. No. Get out of there, get out of your shell to get to know yourself and other people. And that way, people, when you leave, they'll give you a very good recommendation, and they'll remember you when an opportunity comes where they need someone who doesn't really have a lot of skills. So that's my advice when it comes to looking for internship. If you'd like to learn or get more tips in regards to your career, please subscribe today.